The Maverick was having a peep at the Costa Cup title favourites Clarendon College over the weekend. Another slicing and dicing exercise with their trademark slick passing and movements and interchanging. And it dawned on me that this is how all the Clarendon College teams play under Coach Lenny Hyde. This is the only local football team at any level that has a clearly defined philosophy and style of play. We see it season after season with different players. And this is what people have been begging for in local football. A clearly defined style and philosophy. So my question is, why is Coach Lenny Hyde not considered for any national coaching duties? I think he coached the under-20 team once. But since then, Lenny has been ignored at the age group and the senior level consistently. Lenny Hyde is arguably Jamaica's most successful active football coach across senior and junior levels. The man has 3 National Premier League titles with 3 different clubs, Harbourview, Portmore and Tivoli. And with the Clarendon College team, he continues to dominate schoolboy football, winning every single trophy available. And not even one assistant coach work. Yes, not even the equipment manager. Not even the chef. Not all them gang Lenny. No man, Lenny, you teach man.